talking about the Sapphire Hoss machine, what you're actually looking at is a combination of a traditional wand and a scrubber all in one. By that I mean your vacuum hose comes to here. While we're at it as well, this can be attached to a portable. Your vacuum hose here, your solution hose to here. You then get your height adjustment to where however tall you are into that position. The right hand activates the fluid and the left hand activates the rotation of the motor. To let you know what's happening underneath, we'll have a look. Underneath we've got on the rotation, that's our vacuum intake, and there our spray bars injecting the steam, or when we're using a portable, hot water extraction. The effect on stain removal has to be seen to be believed with this particular machine. We've probably sold 15 of them. Incredible demonstration, but this particular tool not only will make your life easier physically, but this should be an add-on when you bring it in.